Hi children, how are you all? Goodies, I hope everyone are fine and safe. And today in EVS, we are going to see chapter 8. Okay, goodies, take your EVS book and take page number 60 in that. The chapter 8 title is Reaching Grandmother's House. Goodies, I already told you while I'm taking class, you don't want to see the mobile. You can just open your book and read there, okay, and just hear my voice. That's enough. Okay, goodies, hear my voice and see your book. Don't want to see the mobile. Okay, let's start the class. After our long train journey, we reached Kottayam in the night. Okay, in the night time, Omana and the family they reached Kottayam, and the time is 11:30. 17th May date is 17 May, and the time is 11:30. They reached Kottayam in night. Okay, goodies. Next, Valiamma's house was not far from the station, and we had to take two auto rickshaws to get there. Okay, what they're telling? Valiamma means who, Kuti? Valiamma means the mother's elder sister. In Malayalam, they call as Valiamma. Valiamma's house not far from the station. Okay, it is near to the station itself. So they took two auto rickshaws to go there. Okay, next. By then, I was very sleepy and did not even wait to eat anything. I took a bath and slept. What she's telling, she felt sleepy after reaching Valiamma's house. She felt sleepy. She didn't wait for her dinner. She took bath and she went to sleep. Okay, cuties. Next, I thought I had just fallen asleep when Amma woke me up again. The morning, her mother tried to wake her, but she again fallen asleep. Next, we got ready, took our luggage and went to the bus stand. Okay, they took their luggages and went to bus stand. Next, Valiamma's family also came with us. We were 10 people and had a lot of luggages too. What she's telling, Valiamma's family, mother's elder sister's family also joined with them, and they totally 10 people, and they have more luggages to carry. Okay, cuties? Next page. Take page number 61. What they are telling here? The bus conductor came and Appa bought tickets for all of us. What Omana she's telling, they went into the bus and the bus conductor came there and her father took tickets for everyone. Okay. We managed to get seats as it went along. The bus got very crowded. Okay. They managed to get seats, and after going along, the bus got very crowded. The more people are inside the bus. People were sharing the seats. We also had to share our seats. Okay, even they need to share their seats. Next, after a long ride, the bus reached the last stop. The bus reached the last stop. I was happy to get off, and the Omana she was very happy to get down from the bus. My legs were stiff. I could hardly stand. What do you mean by stiff? Unable to move. Okay, rigid. I thought that we had finally reached Ammuma's village. Ammuma means who, Kuti? Mother's mother, a grandmother's house. Okay, grandmother's village. But no, our travel had not ended yet. Their travel, it's there still. Okay, it is didn't ended. Still now, it didn't get ended. They need to continue their travel. The bus had dropped us by the water side. Okay, the bus dropped them in the water side. Look, Amma pointed across the water. Okay, across the water. That is where we have to go. They need to cross the water to reach Ammuma's village. Okay, cuties. But how will we get there? I wondered. Okay, she thought how to cross this. Next, just then I saw a boat coming. Can you see this picture? Yes, boat coming. There is a ferry. Ferry means what, Kuti? What I told you? A boat to cross the river. Okay. Amma said immediately a big crowd of people started getting off. school children, men, women, all with their own packets and luggage. Amma explained that the ferry was used by people to cross the water. Okay, the ferry, it reached the one part of the river, and the full crowd now they get off from the boat. There are children, men, women. They took all their luggages and they get off. And her mother, Omana's mother, told the ferry is used to people to cross the water, okay, and reach the other side of the water. Okay, goodies. Next, as soon as the ferry got empty, the big rush started from our side. From their side, the big rush again they started getting into the ferry. Everyone had to pay the fare before getting on. What do you mean by fare? The money. To getting into the ferry, we need to give money. Okay. Very soon, the ferry was full. Very soon, the ferry got full. It started off again. Again, it started to move. Next, I managed to get a place to stand along. She got a place to stand along the railing. Okay, I saw the rippling of the still water as the ferry moved. When the ferry moved, she saw a small waves. What do you mean by rippling? Small waves. Okay, it was moving smoothly on the water. It moves smoothly on the water. There were rows of coconut trees on the banks of river. Okay, she saw many coconut trees on the banks of river. As we moved swiftly, I could see people fishing, washing, bathing, and working along the banks. When they are moving along the river, she saw some people fishing, some people washing their clothes, and some people taking bath. Okay, and some people working in there. Okay, she saw many things. Next, take page number 62. Here, what they have given. Just before the sun disappeared into the water, the ferry reached the island and stopped. I told you what you call it, island. The land surrounded by water we call as island. The ferry stopped there. It was time for us to get off. Okay, they get off from the ferry. At last, we reached Amumma's place. At last, they reached their grandmother's place. What a long and interesting journey it has been. She told her journey was very interesting and very long. Next, they have given some questions related to the story. Omana traveled by different kind of transport after she got down from the train. Can you remember what these were? Okay, after getting off from the train, she traveled in so many vehicles. Okay, read the story and write the vehicle name in this dash. Okay, cuties, transport name here. Next, second question, on which vehicle have you traveled? In which vehicle you have traveled, you need to write here. How much ever vehicle you can write here. Okay, next, third question, which ride did you enjoy the most and why? Which ride you mostly enjoyed and the reason you need to write. Okay, next question, Omana left Ahmedabad on 16 May. How many hours did it take for her to reach Ammumma's place? You need to calculate the hours and write here. Okay, not day kuti, hours. Okay, how many hours she took to reach Ammumma's place, that you need to write in this dash. Okay, next question, have you ever been on long journey? Where did you go? If you have been in long journey, write S and then where did you go? Write the place name also. That's all. Next, name the different kinds of transport that you use during the journey. In the journey, the different kind of transport you may travel, Naguti, those transport you name, you need to mention in this dash. Okay. Next, turn the page 63. Next question they have asked here, how long did your journey take? The time and the period, how long it took. For some of them it took 3 days, it may took 4 days or 1 week. Okay, like that now, that you need to mention in this dash. Next question, Umana's appa bought tickets for the train and the bus. Can you think of other means of transport for which we need to buy tickets? For other than train and bus, for which transport we need to buy tickets? Okay, that transport you're going to write in this dash. Okay, children. Next, sometimes we need to buy tickets to enter a place. Can you think of such places? For entering into such places, we need to buy tickets and enter, Nakuti. For example, Wonderla or Black Thunder. For those places also we need to buy tickets. Only then we can enter into the place. Like that, if you remember some other place which we need ticket to enter into it, you need to write those place in this dash. Okay. Next, look at this picture of a railway ticket. Find the following information on the ticket and circle them with different colors and discuss. Cuties, they have asked some questions here. The train number, the date of the start of the journey, the berth and the coach numbers, the fare, the cost of the ticket, the distance in kilometer. Cuties, they have given a ticket here. It's not proper to me, I can't able to see this image properly. So see your book and find out the train number and color that in crayons. Okay, and write the train number in this dash and the date of the start of the journey here. Next, berth and coach number, find it and write in this dash. The fare, how much they paid, you need to write here, and the distance they have given in kilometer, write here in this dash. Okay, children, see in this ticket and find out and write the answer. Okay, children, that's all. Today the homework is read page number 60 to 63. 60 to 63, go through it again and complete book questions in page number 62 and 63. Okay, both the page 62 and 63, complete it and send the homework goodies. Thank you, children.